head coach of Nations Football Club. Right here, it's Asante Kotoko 0 Nations Football Club 2. Coach Kasim Mingolo Kanse is right here with me. Congratulations, coach. How are you feeling this afternoon?
I'm feeling great.
What is making you feel great?
Look at everyone you win. You know, you have to enjoy. So look at them.
Yeah.
We are working.
Beating your rivals is making you your senior. It's making you feeling great.
I'm happy the boys did exactly what
you've kept 8 clean sheets this season. You have a solid defense and your forwards are also scoring. What is the secret, Coach Kasim Mingolo Kanse?
you have training, determination, and the boys are prepared. They are prepared to learn. I told you it's work in progress. They are prepared to learn.
Any lessons from today's game beating Kumasi Asante Kotoko?
No, they came with the same system that we were playing. They also played the same system. Because I've been playing over 25 years now. I started playing more I know the weakness and the strength of the system. So I always take advantage of the system.
I will leave you, but before you go, your defender Razak Simpson's performance at the Black Stars level was so phenomenal. What do you have to say about his performance?
I would say, I know he can do better. And I'm happy for him. I didn't
players prove a point.
Did you meet him today?
Okay, those who replace him did the job for us.
All right, so Coach Kasim Mingolo Kanse, thanks so much, congratulations, and also we wishing you all the best in your subsequent games. All right, so that's the head coach for Nations Football Club, Coach Kasim Mingolo Kanse is the head coach, and I have the head coach for Kumasi Asante Kotoko, Dr. It's not a good sign for Kumasi Asante Kotoko.
Yeah, it's I mean, especially
last season you lost 4 games and you made mention of your players. You mentioned that you don't have the quality players. Is this the same as this season?
tough luck. Down.
From the fans, they are not happy. I know you're also not happy. Are you under pressure now, Dr. Prosper Nato? Finding solution, then it means this is not the time to sack Dr. Prosper Nate Ogun. All right, so Dr. Prosper Nate Ogun is not happy, and as you can see, the fans are also not happy with their performance. This is asking. He made mention of this is not the time to this is the time to fix the problem. And so I said, so then it means this is not the time to sack Dr. Prosper Nate Ogun, and he walked off surprisingly. So it means
General, let's be realistic. I think that Kumasi Asante Kotoko, their supporters should come in mind that now they are building a new team. How many players did they sack last season? How many players came in? This season they registered just 22 players. So to me, the problem is not from the coach. If they think the problem is from the coach, it's not from the coach.
So who is the problem?
The problem is that they have entirely a new team that they are building. We've seen teams that have suffered it. House of Folk, Accra Lions,